It's me, Zayfo People, Brock's a British Tech Guru. This is that bloody awful body camera that is not actually very good. And I just thought I might show you something rather entertaining in the menu. And it says, if we can focus on that, beep sound. Supposed to be beep sound, I think, but it's clearly not. So, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to dismantle this, and I know it's bloody awful, and I've tried most of the functions on it. I haven't tried it for audio recorder. I've tried the stills photography. I've tried video in different resolutions, and it's all bloody awful. There is a way of doing time-lapse video, but I haven't bothered with it. Now, I'm assuming this is going to be a big Clive-style disassembly video. Now, I'm assuming that underneath this little rubber thingy, there is probably a screw. And we're going to have to see whether we can get this rubber thingy out. And it's being a pain in the neck. But this one, that is being a similar pain in the neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause momentarily and see if I can get these things out somehow. Okay, welcome back. It turned out that these little things are actually little plugs, and they proved to be every bit... where did that one go? Every bit as awkward to remove as I thought they would be. Okay, now let's see what we can... Let's put a cross point screw on here. And, because I bet they've cross point. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know. Is it undoing? That feels like it's undoing. But I don't see any screws. Okay. Let's just see if we've got getting somewhere. Just put that. Oh, yeah. Right. Don't feel like I'm undoing screws, but see what happens. Oh. It feels like this is probably the first time this has been disassembled, which it probably is. Oh, there's a screw. Yay. So we've got one screw out. Let's see if we can get the... let's see where it comes apart. I think this comes apart here. Either comes apart here, or either parts here or parts there. Let's just see. I'm going to say it could be nothing there. Okay. Oh, good Lord. Okay, we've definitely got one screw out. Not quite sure. Not quite sure where it came from. Oh, that feels a little bit more promising, so I'm going to put that there. There we go. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, good. Now, let's see. Oh, yes. Came apart quite nicely then. Not quite what I expected in there. Okay, we've got a board there. What's it got in here? Yes. Quite a lot of stuff in there. Let me just unplug this battery somehow so that I can work on it without blowing things up. Now, why do I have... there we go. Yes. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to try and... There, we've got the battery unplugged. Which is good. Let's have a look at this battery. What kind of... this battery is glued in. Interesting. Okay. So, what we're going to do... by the way, the battery is 1800 microamp hours. Not a bad little battery. Okay, that has been glued on with hot plastic. Oh, I see it's got hot plastic. Yeah, it's all been glued together there. So I'm going to unscrew this motherboard now. I'm actually a little bit disappointed in this because I thought this was going to be hackable. But having said that, I do have a camera. Even if it's just... And the camera might be usable with my Raspberry Pi. I don't know. Just have to see what's in here. And it all looks quite neatly done. I'm not going to do a circuit diagram because I just don't see the point. And that is something that Big Clive would do, and he would do it really well. Because he does. I have to say, Big Clive is really good. But Big Clive is an electronics buff, and he does that for a living. Now, I don't do this for a living, and I trained as a computer guy. So that's where I'm coming from. I trained... there we have got rid of that. Now, can we get this out without destroying it? That is the question. Now, how does this come apart? Bet that just goes like... Bet that... let's try that. I'm not sure how these card edge things come out. Does it just lift up like that? Does it just lift up? Yep, just lifts up. Good. Okay, so I've got the card edge thing out. I'm still attached by that, but that's okay. So let me get this card edge thing. See, the grey thing flips up. Okay. We're attached there with a little piezo speaker. I like that little piezo speaker. How do I get this camera off here? Got my little screen there. I wonder if I can use that screen. Got 3 buttons there. Can I get that screen off somehow? It's certainly... It's attached. It's not firmly attached. That's a bonus. It's got a card edge thing. So try and get it up. Yay. Got that separated. Now. Good. Let's lift this card edge up again. Here. Get that up. There. That is probably a usable little screen. I'd have to look it up, but it's definitely usable. It works. The camera, let me see. Ah, there we go. Now I think I need a thinner. I like this screwdriver thingy I've got. I like it. It's I think I got this from Radio Shack before Radio Shack bit the dust. And we all know Radio Shack, and Radio Shack was a junk shop. It wasn't a good shop. So where do we go here? Let's undo this. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, this is coming. Oop, if I can hit the screw. Let's see if I can hit this screw. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. And these are not the Parkinson's shakes. But it looks like it, doesn't it? Ah, got him off. Good. Excellent. Now, I can flip. Oh, I've already flipped that. Yay, I've got a camera. Yay, I like that. Oh, I've got a good screen, I've got a good camera. Battery, don't give a rat's ass about. Electronics. Well, there's a card reader there, don't know how good that'll be. Not really too sure about this. It's a double-sided board, which is a recipe for disaster. Not sure I like that. Basically, out of this piece of trash, I've probably got a good screen and probably got a good camera. I'm going to have to look them up. Anyway, this is the Temu piece of crap. And that cost me $28. And it really is a piece of garbage. And who on earth... Whoa, what's that? Ha! Looky, looky, looky. It seems to have a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi aerial there. Looky, looky, looky. Does it have... What is that chip? There is no chip. It's set up for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so who knows? Who knows? But, as I said, putting that junk aside, I have a decent screen, I have probably a decent camera, and I have a 64GB memory card. But I also have a load of junk. And this is probably all going to go straight in the trash. But there you go. There's Temu for you.